Hi, this is my video for Paul McWhorter's Pico W lesson number 12, which is controlling an RGB LED via user input. I'm using the Pico 0 library because it makes things awful easier. So just to go through my code, the RGB LED is using pins 18, 17 and 16, and I've just defined off, which is a tuple of 0, 0, 0 to make life easier. Turning the RGB off to begin with to make sure it isn't on. And then I've got a dictionary of the colours that Paul wanted there. And if we go down here a bit, I've just got a while true loop. So it's asking the user, i.e. me, what colour is required, or you can go question mark to get a list of the colours. And then if it's just white space, you know, like spaces, tabs, whatever, or you've just pressed enter, it goes back up to prompt the user again. So then if you put in a question mark, it just prints out the dictionary. And then this is where it actually does something. If the colour isn't in the dictionary, it will say it's invalid, but do you want to add it? And then if you press yes, Y for yes, it will prompt you for the RGB values and add it to the dictionary. And otherwise, if you press anything apart from Y, it will just ignore that. And then when you come down here, it will turn off the LED if the colour wasn't found. So that means that the colour of the LED is the value from the dictionary for that colour, and then that bit there, comma off, is the default value for it when you don't find the colour. Right. All very simple. I'll just run the program. Right, enter colour required. We'll try with something simple. Red. And it kind of looks red. And it's also case insensitive, so you could go capital R-E little d, and that works. Then we can go green, blue, cyan, yellow. That looks quite green to me, but who am I to argue? Magenta, orange, all in capitals. Yeah, that looks like orange. I think, oh, white. I haven't done white. White. That looks kind of white, a bit bluey white. Now if you go question mark, it will print out the dictionary, so in random order, because that's what dictionaries do. So now if you put in a colour that you haven't got, I will put in rust. Rust is invalid, add it. Right, so I'll go yes, and I'm going to try 183, 65, 14. That's kind of, you can almost see it's rusty down the bottom there. You can almost see it's kind of rusty. It looks rusty to me. Then we will try purple. No, you don't spell purple like that. Purple. Do I want to add it? Yes. The value, I'll try 106, 27, 154. That's purpley. And now if you do question mark to look at your dictionary, you've got the original ones like green, yellow, there's purple, blue, magenta, orange, cyan, white, red. Oh, and there's rust. Right, we'll try a few more just to see if anything else works. Lime green. Yes, we want to add it. 153. No. 133, I think. 255 naught. That's kind of lime green. We'll compare it to green, shall we? Well, it changed a bit. Then if you put in oatmeal. Oatmeal is invalid, add it. Nah, so you can just press anything. And if you've actually chosen not to add an invalid colour, it will turn the LED off. But you can always turn it on again by going blue. Right, and now if you look at the dictionary, you have all the originals. Magenta, yellow, rust was added, purple was added, blue, orange, cyan, white, lime green was added, green and red. But note, because I said I didn't press Y with the oatmeal, it wasn't added to the dictionary. So there we have it. We'll just Control C to go out. That's my video.